Hello. Happy Monday. How's it going? How's your weekend? So question for you. How you doing on your New Year's intentions so far, right? Let me know in the comments. Have you started to put them into your flow, or have you forgotten already? It's okay. It's all good. It's only, what day is it? January 9th. So we're good. We're good. Let me know in the comments. What's your word of the year? I'd love to know. I'd love to know your word of the year. And second to that, how are you living that word? How are you bringing it to life this year? Because that's really what this is all about, right? Hello, everybody. Give me some waves in the comments. Would love to connect with you. Would love to know your word of the year. And so it's so important for you to have those goals. It's so important for you to expand the vision for what you see for your life and your business. And now we get to bring it to life. Right? Now you get to bring it to life, because I bet, if you're in my community, you're very purpose-driven, you know that you're here for a reason, you have mission, you have goals, you have all those beautiful things. And so now that you have that as your North Star, let's take a step back and let's do a little bit of playfulness and tap into who the you is that has already brought all of that to life. We know that, from quantum physics, we can shift into that future state within yourself so you can access guidance and wisdom about what qualities you will get to practice, you will get to begin to believe about yourself, new ways of being that you can begin to activate within yourself today so that you can fast track your goals and fast track your results this year. So in the work that I do, that first section that we just spoke about is called Expanding the Vision. So this is inside the work that I do in the Warrior's Journey, which is my signature program and offer that will be launching soon. So it is expanding the vision so you can begin to get that information about who the you is. Because guess what? You already have those tools. You already have those qualities, characteristics. It's a matter of activating them. It's a matter of fully engaging them, embodying them, expressing them so that you can begin to work them into your life today by experiencing them now. And what I want to do is what we're going to be doing today, I'm going to be doing a live and interactive Mondays with Megan session today at 12 p.m. Hawaiian Standard Time, which is 2 Pacific, 5 Eastern. If you're in another time zone, hopefully you know from those what time it is for you, just a few hours from now. And we'll be doing a fun little mini workshop to help you to use breath work, use meditation, use visualization to tap into the energy of the you that is living in your vision. Who is that you? What do they believe? How are they being? How are they showing up? How do they walk? How do they talk? How do they go live on Facebook? So that you can tap into that energy now. Because we know everything is energy, and that's all there is to it, right? Somebody smart, I believe his name was Einstein, said that. And so tapping into that energy so you get to answer the most important question. Who are you going to be in 2023? Who is the you that brings your big vision to life this year? How can you begin to experience that now, that energy now? So you embody the frequency of the reality that you desire, the vision that you have for yourself. So you place yourself in direct alignment with it so that you tap into the energy of it. So then we start to use the laws of the universe, laws of vibration, laws of attraction, powerful stuff, powerful stuff. So it's, as he also finished the statement in saying, this is not philosophy, this is physics. This is using the tools of physics, of science, of spirituality so that you can bring your big vision to life this year. So it's a totally free workshop, no pitch at the end, I promise. It's an invitation for you to come and tap into that energy, to learn and to grow. So that's happening today. So you can head over to the link in my bio to join us live in the experience. And so I think it's the second link in my bio. So you can join us at 2 p.m. Pacific, which is 5 Eastern, for the free mini workshop. Who are you going to be in 2023? That is the question. Because you have your big goals. But how do you align with them now? That's the key. All right. So if you have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments below. I look forward to connecting with all of you, and have a beautiful rest of your day. Take care. Bye-bye.